Zokway Nelson. I'd like to tell you a story. On the 23rd of December 2019, I and my family were traveling from Lagos to the eastern part of Nigeria. During the course of our journey, our vehicle broke down and we had to look for a nearby mechanic. I began to ask myself seven questions, knowing fully well that we visited our favorite mechanic 2 days ago. Was it that probably our assumptions were wrong? Or probably was it that the mechanic actually fixed the wrong issues? But this led me, I couldn't tell, but this led me to build a solution called Feedbot. Once again, my name is Okoye Nelson Chinedu. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Feedbot Technology. At Feedbot Technology, we make IoT devices that help to detect faults in a car and also help to prevent breakdown. Basically, our device send alert to the car owner via SMS, chatbot, and also through our web and mobile application in cases where faults are being detected. You have an AI system that gives predictive analysis of when a car is likely to break down if certain faults are being not fixed, and a marketplace where we connect mechanics, spare part dealers, and also car owners. Why we are building Fitbit, we believe that 97% of 10 million cars owners in Nigeria's greatest fear, apart from theft, is knowing that they don't know when their car is likely to break down. And we want to solve this with our recommendation and also tips and suggestions and our predictive analysis software. We believe that we'll be able to give car owners, remove the fear of many car owners in Nigeria of knowing that they can be able to determine when their car is likely to break down and also to be able to help them give their put their car in good working condition. Also, we believe that 80% of car owners in Nigeria can't afford basic diagnostic services. It costs about $10, that is about 5,000 naira in Nigerian currency to actually do that. But with Feedbot device, you can actually do that at the comfort of your home without without moving out, without even meeting anybody. You can be in Lagos and your car is in Abuja, and you can actually know the health status of your car. Why we are building that? We believe that the total addressable market of the automobile diagnosis industry worldwide is worth $7.8 billion. We also know that here in the Middle East and also in the African region of the world, the market is worth $5.18 billion. And we believe that if we can get 10% of the market share of the cerebral addressable market, that is the 10% of the Middle East and African market of the automobile diagnostic software, we'll be able to, in the next 2 years, if we can get 10% of that, we believe that we'll be able to ride on in a very good, profitable path. Our solution is simple. We build an IoT device that helps to extract data from the car and also sends alert to the car owner via SMS, chatbot, and also through Messenger. Basically, the feature of our device is very simple. It gives real-time tracking data. It reads, diagnose data, and help the owner to be able to interpret it in very common language. It helps to track drivers' behavior. It gives base station ID report. So in situations where there are no GPS signal, you'll be able to get report based on where your car location is. And in cases where your car battery is being removed, you get a notification indicating that your car battery is being removed. And we also have a feature called geofencing where we give car owner the ability for them to be able to give certain restrictions on certain locations of where they want their car to go. If their car go beyond those locations, it will notify them. Currently, this is our web application. We are currently working on our mobile application, which will be launched in December. Also, our business model is very simple. We plan on offering three parts. We plan on giving retail. We plan on our retail sale, subscription, license, and white label app sales. So basically, we hope that we'll be able to sell our device for as low as 25,000 naira and be able to make a profit of 5,000 naira from every device being sold. We offer a subscription fee, annual subscription fee of 15,000 naira for private car owners, and also offer a pay as you go for fleet manager. But currently, anyone who gets our device gets free subscription for a year. Subsequently, after that year, they will get to pay 15,000 naira for every to have access to our diagnostic service and also other services that we provide. Yes, we plan on also giving license to insurance company and auto manufacturing companies to be able to use our softwares and device, and we also offer a pay as you go model to them. This is our business model. Once you get our device, we give you a free doorbell, you get access to our diagnostic service, you get access to our marketplace. We give you a 12,000 naira worth of subscription for 1 year. Then after the first year, you'll be paying a 12,000 naira subscription fee annually. Also, if you are for a team, if you are a team of probably 8 vehicles, or probably you have a fleet of vehicle, we give you the private car owner package, and also give you a fleet management system, give you an idle report, and also is a pay as you go model for the fleet management option. One thing that makes us stand out, our competitive advantage, is that we can offer SMS and give you chatbot. The thing is that we believe that here in the world where everything is digital, we believe that we should have access to be able to know your car data, location, or anything regarding your car easily, via by SMS, via by chatbot, or anything, anywhere you want to be, or any part of the world you are, you can be able to get access to the data of your car. Our go to market strategy and timeline is that we launched our products MVP on October 2022, and we are currently in a private beta with about 10 devices being sold. We're looking at selling 1,000 devices by February 2021, when we also launch our second beta version. And we look at partnering with a with a local manufacturing company, a local car manufacturing company in Nigeria in March 2024. And then we'll launch our services. We'll launch on next year, June 2021, where we offer full services. Our future projection, we believe that if we are able to install 100,000 devices in 100,000 cars in Nigeria, and our devices are being sold earlier, like I earlier said, for $62.5 per device, we believe that we'll be able to make an estimated revenue between now and 4 years time, that is in 2024, be able to make an estimated revenue of 22.5 million naira. What we use the Ogumba Entrepreneurship Challenge money, prize money to do, we use it to pay certain regulation costs, such as the set regulations such as MAN, which stands for Standard Organization of Nigeria. We also use it to pay for the Manufacturing Association of Nigeria regulation costs. We use it to hire two talents. We are currently two on our team. We use it to increase our production capacity. Currently, we can only produce 10 devices in a week, but we'll use it to increase our production capacity to move from 10 to 100 in a week. And we also use it to do certain marketing um, strategy, and also setting partnership strategy. Currently, this is I and my team. We are currently two in the team. Me and my team member Emmanuel is the tech lead, is the one in charge of our hardware and our software. Thank you. I hope given a chance to be able to pitch the Ogumba Grand Finale Entrepreneurship Challenge Grand Finale in Abuja on December 7th